this is Terusha and Robin and Levi with GossMania Homestead in South Mississippi.
How are y'all? We
are actually trying to pluck one of our watermelons off since they haven't really been doing anything for BW Family Farms little watermelon contest thing. We might win the smallest.
We're gonna cut them all four off.
The watermelon actually got ate by deer, and then they popped back and they got really big and abundant. We're sprouting little watermelons left and right.
And now they just quit doing anything. They quit growing. They quit.
And it's got like that spotted leaf virus almost on them like my tomatoes did, so I don't know. We might be moving the garden this year.
Be a totally different location.
Yeah. So, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a ground or if it's just a stink bug spreading this, because we have a ton of stink bugs. That's the only other thing I could think of. Here's our watermelon. We had one over there, but they kept doing this. They kept splitting and going bad on the ends, like this one here. So Robin's cut that one. He's cut that one. That one's left. These are the only ones that have stayed kind of big. They're not very big. They're 2 handfuls maybe. So
like a football.
He's gonna probably cut this one right here. I'm thinking about getting. We're gonna cut this one.
Are you sure? Kind of growing.
I don't know. We don't know how much longer these take to grow. They're the Baker Creek yellow tender gold, and I was assuming they were going to get a little bit bigger, but they might not be because I can't find the information on the website about how big they get yet. So I'm gonna look back, find my seed pack, and I'll read it to y'all when I can find it. But they have not really got much bigger than they are right now. That one.
They're good to eat.
I don't know, we'll see. See, they're about this size. They might only get this size, but even when they were this big, they were seeding. So they might not be but this big, but we're gonna look it up and double check.
Our smallest one's over there.
We're taking this one first.
We're gonna weigh it.
We're gonna weigh it. Levi, be still.
Send it to Ben and Andrea.
Weigh it. Send it to Ben and Andrea at BW Family Farm.
We're gonna weigh it. Because they gotta see
it's the size of my head.
So we're gonna weigh it. Yes, the size of Levi's head. And we're gonna send it to VW Family Farm. As you can see, poor Red has got like, looks like blossoming rot. Is what it looks like. Lawson is gonna weigh himself. Weigh yourself first. Let go. He's 40.6 pounds. Hold this. Get back on it. 47.2 pounds. So a little over, almost 7 pounds. Step off. We'll do it one more time. Gotta let go. Okay. 40.2. And he's gonna hold it again. Hold it. Step off.
Yeah.
Right now, sit back on. 47. So we got like 6.8 pounds, or no, 4.2, 16 ounces. I think this goes to 9.
How
to 10.
How much does
so
this weigh?
6.8 pounds maybe. So it's like 6
Put it down now.
for a weighing scale. Lawson was 40.2. This was 47. So it is 6.8 pounds on a scale. So that's 0.8 of a pound. 6.8.